guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best screen cleaners. I've made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I've listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay to the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the screen cleaners in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best screen cleaners on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the MOSHI TERAGLOVE. The MOSHI TERAGLOVE is perfect for cleaning screens without the need for any consumables. The cleaning cloth is made from tetrahedron microfiber that'll remove dirt from screens without scratching them. This kit includes an empty spray bottle that's meant to be filled with water to aid in cleaning your screen. Thumbs up, approved by Apple. Thumbs down, water doesn't clean as well as other screen cleaners. Number 9. Zeiss Mobile Screen Wipes. These individually wrapped wipes by Zeiss will seamlessly remove fingerprints and grease from the screens of your favorite gadgets, using a solution that's effective yet harmless on your electronics. Plus, the wipes dry quickly, so they won't leave a streak on the screen. Thumbs up, easy to travel with. Thumbs down, too small to use for TVs. Coming at number 8, MAGICFIBER Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. A quality microfiber cloth can come in handy when cleaning electronics. This MAGICFIBER offering has 2 of them, so you can leave one at home and take the other to the office. These cloths are my favorite because they are gentle on your display, but work well on removing dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints. Thumbs up, safe on all devices. Thumbs down, the extra large bundle only comes with one small-sized cloth. Coming at number 7, iClear Cleaning Kit for Apple Displays. The highly rated iClear Cleaning Kit is one of the best in this field, especially among owners of Apple devices. It contains a 2-ounce bottle of alcohol-free cleaning spray, 3 microfiber cloths, and 6 pre-moistened individually packaged wipes. Thumbs up, microfiber polishing cloths are premium. Thumbs down, pricier than other options. Number 6. Screen Mom 16-ounce Screen Cleaner Kit. For those searching for an organic and safe screen cleaner, we recommend this solution from Screen Mom. The product is alcohol, chemical, and phosphate-free. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and completely odorless, making it a good choice for those with sensitive skin and noses. This option comes with a 16-ounce bottle and included microfiber towel. You can expect more than 1,500 sprays before needing to purchase another bottle, making this well worth the purchase. Thumbs up, works well at removing fingerprints and smudges. Thumbs down, microfiber cloth occasionally leaves fuzz behind. Coming in at number 5, Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. If you're looking for something more affordable and don't want to buy a cleaning kit, Apple recommends using a lint-free cloth to clean your iPhone screen, making this affordable 24-pack from Amazon a great option. Microfiber is an extremely soft material that attracts dust and absorbs oils without damaging your screen. If you have lots of grime or fingerprints on your screen, Consumer Reports recommends slightly wetting the cloth with diluted water. Just make sure you don't put water directly onto your screen. Only put some on the cloth. Thumbs up, extra value. Thumbs down, quality of cloth isn't as high as other options. Coming in at number 4, TechArmor Cleaning Kit. This affordable and comprehensive cleaning kit by TechArmor will ensure that your favorite gadgets are always sparkling. This kit includes 2 bottles of screen cleaning solution, 2 microfiber cloths, and 20 individually packaged device cleaning wipes. Best of all, Tech Armor uses an alcohol and ammonia-free solution, which won't cause any damage. Thumbs up includes 2 cleaning cloths. Thumbs down, more prone to leaving streaks than other options. Number 3. SaniTech Screen Cleaner. If you're searching for a disinfectant that doubles as a screen cleaner, I highly recommend SaniTech. It's one of the few EPA-registered hospital-grade disinfectants that is strong enough to kill 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, including COVID-19, all while being gentle enough on your devices. SaniTech won't cause damage to touchscreens, keyboards, or computers. It's worth a mention that you should never spray the product directly on your devices, but rather spray it on a microfiber cloth, one is included. The cleaner has no fragrance, added dyes, VOCs, or phosphates. It's even hypoallergenic and safe to use for food contact surfaces. Thumbs up does not cause damage to touchscreens or keyboards. Meets all EPA requirements for disinfectant. Thumbs down, the included cloth is thin. Coming in at number 2, EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray. A solid value for the price, this screen cleaning kit consists of a 16-ounce bottle of solution and a large microfiber cloth. It's even backed by a money-back guarantee. According to the manufacturer, it's compatible with LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED screens. The cleaning solution has been tested on all major tech brands too. Thumbs up, doesn't leave any streaks. Thumbs down, bottle is prone to leaking. Number 1. WHOOSH Screen Cleaning Kit. WHOOSH is a powerful non-toxic screen cleaner that'll keep the display of every gadget you own spotless. The odorless liquid is safe for all screens, while 3 antimicrobial microfiber cloths help ensure that you make the most of every display. The screen cleaner is also available in a trio of bottle sizes. Plus, this is the screen cleaner of choice for all Apple retail stores. Does that automatically make them the best cleaners ever? We think so. Thumbs up, no harsh odors. Thumbs down, works best with included cleaning cloth. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best screen cleaners. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.